Dear students, I'm on page 24 and we are going to learn a new time signature. You are used to 4/4 time 1, 2, 3, 4, but we also have another very common time signature 3/4 time. In fact, all of the waltzes are written in 3/4 time. That means you have 3/4 note in every bar. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you give one beat to each black note, to each quarter note. Okay, now when you encounter a half note 2 beats with a dot, this little dot counts for the third beat. Okay, so you have to pay attention to the dot because this little dot, it's like a quarter note. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is what you see here on the page. 1, 2, 3. After bar line, you have to start counting all over. 1, 2, little dot, 3. Bar line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, now let's take a repeat. You remember when you have a double bar line with 2 dots, that means a repeat. Let's clap and count out loud. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, now we are going to play rockets on page 24, and we are going to count in 3/4 time. Okay, so what do I see on the page before I begin? I see that left hand has to play C, E, G, a broken C chord in the first bar. Now the right hand, it looks like it has to play C, E, G in the second bar. That's another broken C chord. Broken chord means you play one note at a time, or melodically you play the chord, not harmonically, but melodically, one note at a time. In bar number 3, that's your challenge. You have to play a G7 chord in the left hand. What is a G7 chord in the left hand? If you missed this information, please review page 20 and even page 21. So really quickly here, so you find your C chord, you move the 5th finger down 1 key to B, but keep finger 4 on F and finger 1 on G. So B, F, G played at the same time harmonically, that's your G7 chord. And then you play the C chord. So you only have 2 chords in the left hand and several notes in the right hand. Okay, I'm going to play and name the notes first. Okay, let's get both hands in position. C, E, G, C, E, G, F, E, D, C. Rest. C, E, G, C, E, G, F, E, D, C. All right. As you see, bar 3, you have an F, yeah, in the right hand, and the chord in the left hand. You have to play everything on a downbeat at the same time. Okay, now play and count out loud. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. At the same time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you're done. Just in case, I'm going to give the finger numbers. Left hand 5, 3, 1. Right hand 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, again 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I just gave the fingering to the melody because you already know the fingering for the chords. All right, so pay attention to dynamics. if you have an acoustic piano, or if your keyboard allows you to play loudly and softly, in that case, play the first 4 bars loudly, forte, and bars 5 through 8 softly, because you have a little piano here. Okay, let's review Italian terms. Okay, you have F for forte, means loudly, and you have a little P for piano, means softly. All right, thank you very much. Enjoy practicing in 3/4 time. Thank you.